What's up guys, the PE guy here. Today we're doing an unboxing. Today's a little bit different because we're doing an unboxing compared to one of those other fitness or tutorials of how to do something. We are going to check out an unboxing of a keyboard that I just purchased. So this keyboard, I'm pretty excited about it. It's going to help me with some of my editing, and for those gamers out there, they might like this keyboard as well. So hopefully it's gonna be great. I'm pretty stoked. Let's check it out. Oh yeah! Alright, so this is the RK keyboard. Check that out. Let's unbox this sucker. Yeah. Alright, so that's my keyboard. I hope you like it. It's kind of cool. It's nice white. And I might even customize it by spray painting it different colors. Oh man. Yeah. I just really like that white and the backlit lights. So cool, yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making this. Yeah. I just love typing on the keyboard. It's kind of fun. Alright, have a fantastic day. Peace.